All right, guys. We as plumbers, and we do a lot of hydrojetting, drain cleaning. I've been doing it for 35 years. And with the baby wipe situation, I did a little experiment many years ago in a bucket. And then decided that I'm going to do it again. So what we did is we took the top 10 brands. We're going to do a 1-day test, a 3-day test, and a 30-day test of how it breaks down in city water. Now, I'm going to cut through all the fluff. We already did all the experiments. I'm going to put all 3 films together, and you're going to see the results. It's pretty amazing. And you let me know in the comments below what you think, what your choice of brands are, and what you think about our little experiment. It's been a long time coming. I've seen so many documentaries on TV, the news about these treatment plants, especially New York City, and you guys can look it up yourself, the damage that baby wipes are causing to our infrastructure. It's really, really amazing. So stay tuned and check it out. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Follow this journey as I train my 2 sons the plumbing trade, the service trade to be exact. Going to be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. We'll see you inside, folks. Check it out. Hey guys, good morning. Chuck Barron from Barron Plumbing. Check this out. We always talk about what not to flush in the toilet. Wipes, paper towels, napkins, cleaning products. We're actually going to do a test. We're going to put each of these products in a glass of water, do a 1-day test, a 3-day, a 1 week, and a month, and show you how it did or did not dissolve for your sewer and or septic system. Stay tuned. We're going to leave room in the jar for it to, and what I'll do is I'll make sure we mark the right product. I don't want to overstuff it. That one's actually coming apart real easy. That's probably going to dissolve. I doubt it. Oh, now this one, wow. That one's really coarse. And then there's the man wipe, which I heard's popular. I don't know about this. There's no way this is going to dissolve. Bang. Okay. Regular napkins like everyone uses in restaurants. No problem. We got you. Then we're going to go Scott's toilet paper. Stole this from the house. Can't tell the boss. Okay.
Disclaimer, we're putting Scotch in here now.
Scott's toilet paper for the big butt wipe. Okay, boom. I'll even give it a double dose since we're going legit toilet paper now, guys. This is legit for the double wipe. Boop. That's that. And of course, there's that person out there, the cleaning lady, the kids. Let's flush some paper towels down the toilet. That's a good one. This is really thick. We'll go double paper towel. Okay. And then last but not least, our favorite TV commercial, Charmin toilet paper. Give this a double dose. Boop. And that's it. We're going to put lids on everything. We're going to check this out. We're going to call it 3 days. Monday. Okay. All right, guys. Just got done the toilet. Flush, flush, flush. Shake, shake, shake. We'll do them all. Right? It's going down the toilet. In your line. Bang. That quick. Oh, let me flush one more time. Double flush. Now it's a few feet down the line. And bam. This is it. We'll see you on Monday, 3 days from now. All right, guys. 3 days later, flush, flush, flush. Let's see what's happening here. Charmin's toilet paper. Kind of curious what's happening. I actually get a stick or some shit. Oh, look at that. Thank God it's clean toilet paper.
It is breaking down,
This is actually breaking down. I can't even pick it up. All right.
That's the Charmin.
Charmin. Boom. Bounty, the quicker picker upper. Now this, oh, look at that. The quicker picker upper is definitely quicker at not disintegrating. Scott's toilet paper. We'll put them behind so we don't want to mix them up. Again, 3 days later. Oh, this is breaking down too. Wow. Breaking down really good, guys. I don't even shake it neither. How about that? Huh. Interesting. Like we said, toilet paper only. Here's napkins. I'll give this one a shake because this happens sometimes in bathrooms where people run out of toilet paper and they bring in the napkins from the table. Watch this. All right, napkins are out. All right, dude wipes. Here we go, the big test. Hold on, let me give them the benefit of the doubt. They get a shake too. They get an extra man shake. Rah, 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 rah. It's bubbling. Must come with some soap. Yo, dude wipes breaking down. Okay. Yo, dude. I like that actually. I've never seen that before. Interesting. Cottonelle, up. Everybody gets a shake. Let me shake them all so I don't forget anymore. Signature. And, oh, this is Lysol wipes. If you wipe your butt with them, you're in trouble. Okay, here's Cottonelle. Break it down a little bit. Okay. A little bit. I'm actually a little surprised. So if you buy the right brand, because we've actually found baby wipes that were just like paper towels. Full on, still together. Oh, here you go. So this is breaking down a little bit, but not as much. Needless to say, oh, this is going to be a joke. This is the Lysol wipes. Again, fully intact. And this is how we usually find them in the toilet sewer lines, fully intact. That's why we're proactive, do not use baby wipes. But as you see, a little breakdown. The dude wipe, much better. Toilet paper, the way to go, and only use toilet paper. Forget paper towels, forget Lysol wipes, and forget the napkins. We'll see you in a couple more weeks. All right, guys, it's test time. 30 days later, we have our Charmin, our Bounty, our Scout, our napkins, which I don't have none here, dude wipes, Cottonelle wipes, signature wipes, and for you hardcore people, Lysol wipes. So what we're gonna do, go to each bottle. This is Charmin. Hold on, let me give you a little, everyone gets a little shake. Bang, bang, bang. Again, this is after a month of one flush, of one use. And I might have to get a spoon here.
You could just
Tell you
put it
what,
in your hand.
Oh, that's a great idea. So look at this. This is one flush a month later of toilet paper. So this is broken down pretty good, but you can see that 25 flushes a day can have a problem on your system. So you gotta have properly pitched pipes, no scaling, etc., etc. Let's go paper towels. Bounty, the quicker picker-upper. All right, little shake and bake. I know this is gonna be, this one's gonna be something special. Look at this. Again, a month old. I could actually reuse this. Look at this. The quicker picker-upper is not the quicker dissolver. 30 days. Look at this. No good. Okay? You see my point, right? Moving right through Scott's toilet paper. Here we go. Mr. Scott. Beam me up. Quick shake and bake. Oh, this is actually a little thinner than, who is this? I'm sorry, Scott. Scott, baby. That was a little thinner than Bounty. I'm sorry, a little thinner than Charmin. Table napkins, we all know that this is going to be probably not as bad as paper towels, but pretty close. I think these napkins are from Dunkin'. But look at this, guys. One use, 30 days later, nothing doing. Dude wipes. Here we go. Shake and bake. I know everybody's waiting for this one. I gotta tell you, broken down pretty good, almost as good as Charmin toilet paper. You see I got to pick it apart a little bit. So that was Dude Wipes. Pretty impressive. Cottonelle. Now what we're going to do is give you the average use of a 4-person home and how many flushes. Cottonelle, look. Same thing, breaking down pretty good. Okay. If you think about this, this is signature. Oh, let me get a little shake. This is signature, right? Let's check it out, guys. All right, so I gotta really tear this a little bit. Oh, look at that. Wow. Not so friendly, okay? Not so friendly on the signature brand. Now, I don't know who's out there using Lysols, but the cleaning ladies could be cleaning your bathrooms and throwing these down the toilet. And that's a no bueno. So you're gonna see this. It's gonna be the same as paper towels, and of course it is. Here you go, you wanna reuse it? I'll mail them to you, all right? Now, what I'm gonna do is give you the average use of a 4-person house for a week of how much paper towels will be in your system. Now, if I go like this is one, how many flushes here? 8 different brands. So this is 8 of all the combined, right? Picture this times the average use. And I'm gonna have them facts for you in 2 seconds. So here we go, guys. What I'm gonna do here, I am going to glove up, dump out the water, and give you the end results of the set of 8 styles of paper. This could be in a triplex, could be different households hooked to a system. You get my point, right?
Your fingers are like the leach field.
Yeah. And again, this is for city sewers, man. And you all know I don't work out in the woods that much. These are no good for septic systems. Come on now. Wow. I should actually weigh this. It's pretty heavy. You ready, guys? Look at this. You ready? Here we go. One big flush. Okay? In my opinion, cut back on the toilet paper, descale your pipes, get new sewers. Anything is going to hang up all this stuff if your sewer system isn't pitched properly and has a smooth surface. With that, we'll see you at the next one.